We are going live with Nishank Senani. He has very good profile. He is doing great in his field. So he is a founder CEO at Let's Talk Fashion. He is a Mumbai based fashion stylist. He's a celebrity stylist and design consultant. He is an official stylist of major fashion weeks like Want International Fashion Week, Asian Designer Week, Couture Runway Week, Mysore Wash Fashion Week, East India Fashion Week, India Intimate Fashion Week, and India Beach Fashion Week. So, and also he has been styling in Lakme Fashion Week for the past 13 seasons and FTCI for last 3 seasons. So he is doing really great. So we are lucky to have him in our live session today. Let's see if he has joined the session so that we can start. So he's here. So girls, be ready. We are going to start a session with Nishank.
Good
Hi,
evening.
Nisha.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone and you
Same
also.
to you, same to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. How's
Good
everything
to see
going? How's
you.
lockdown going?
It's great.
It's great. Nice. Great.
Yeah,
Yeah.
चल रहा है.
Yes.
So, introduce yourself. I have already given the introduction.
Okay. So
So,
guys,
we'll start. Hmm.
I'm a fashion stylist and I'm a design consultant. I help designers to grow their brand via my company. It's called Let's Talk Fashion, and I am also a former designer for my label Nishank Sanani, and I help designers and celebrities to grow their brand value. Yes.
Okay.
So, guys, let me also introduce you to my followers. So, guys, today we have Harpreet Kaur, who's been Mrs. India, and she is an amazing model as well. And I have worked with her at Couture Runway Week, and she's great on ramp and
Thank you.
amazing confidence. And today she's gonna host this session with us about beauty pageants, about models, about entire how the fashion fraternity is, and the pageant and beauty fraternity is. So, let's just start the session, Harpreet.
So, shall we start with our first question?
Definitely.
Chalo, my first question for you is must have in a model's wardrobe.
Must have in a model's wardrobe. So, a model's wardrobe should be basic, at least one black tank top and blue hot pants, because that is the basic thing where models have been called, for auditions. So that's the dress code, basically. When we take, usually I'm in the panel for Lakme Fashion Week, and it's been a while, and like generally we need models to come in a proper dress code, which is blue hot pants and black tank top or a black t-shirt. So that's the standard thing which a model should have in their wardrobe. Even male models, for a fact, they should have this like black t-shirt or a basic white t-shirt and a blue jeans to like, because that's the best basic outfit where they can come for audition, and it looks nice.
Great, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so my next question is what should we carry in our basic kit?
So this is for female models, right?
Yes, for female
So
models.
female models should carry a lot of things. Let's start with, basic razor. It's very important to carry a razor with you. So, sometimes you have the certain hair growths or somewhere, it's not waxed properly. You need to have this proper razor. If you have to wear something which is off shoulder, or if you have to wear something, very deep neck or something like that, and you're not shaved properly, so you can have this last minute thing which you can use a razor. Okay, then you should definitely have your silicone tapes. You can have your nipple tapes. It's very important. You should have your strapless bras, because, and also certain colors of inners only work for female models. Like you should have a black pair of inners and you should have a nude color pair of inners, because that works in everything, and you should carry that with you in your kit. Also, the set of heels as well. You should have a black color heel, which is stilettos, or maybe those strap-on heels, because that really has a good hold in your feet when you're walking for any pageants or any kind of fashion show. So it won't, like it won't be uncomfortable. That will have a good hold on your feet. So black color heels, nude color heels, and gold or maybe silver. But nowadays people prefer rose gold heels because that goes with any kind of embroidered garment which has a silver embroidery also and a golden embroidery also. So these kind of things they should definitely have in their kit. Also, they should carry proper sanitary pads, and also they should have their own makeup if they're not comfortable putting others makeup, because obviously the brushes and the this thing is being shared. So if they are very particular about their skin, they should carry their own makeup for sure.
Sure. Okay. Next
Yes.
question is, what is the difference between male and females models basic kit?
See, obviously there is a lot of difference between male and female model skate, because male models are mostly, like if they are doing beach fashion week and all that, they have to go, bare body, or they have to carry a certain set of underwears. They have to wear their black underwear or white underwear, which is something which is a very, very good brand. Maybe, a Calvin Klein or some really nice brand they can carry. So, it's very important. For also guys also, they need to have their trimmers and razors in place. Okay, they should have their sweat pads. It is very important because guys sweat a lot, so guys definitely should carry sweat pads with them. They should have a proper set of deodorant or maybe colognes, maybe good perfumes or fragrances, which is very important because male models they gym a lot. So like according to that, they need to really focus on these personal hygiene things. Also, they should carry a black belt and a tan color belt, which can go with formal outfits. And in footwear, they should carry a tan formal shoe, a black formal shoe, and also a Jodhpuri chappal or a Kolhapuri chappal, which goes with Indian wears. So that is the basic kit for male models. So as I discussed with you, that for female models there are certain requirements which they do get it, and for male models this is a set of like things which is needed. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next question is, makeup ideas according to the occasion.
Makeup ideas according to the occasion. Suppose, okay, which occasion are we talking about? About wedding or something like that, or maybe a pageant or
Yeah, beauty pageant, weddings, and any ring ceremony, or just a party makeup.
great. So as we are in the Mrs. India thing, so we
Hmm.
have ladies almost who are like, all the ladies are married, of course, because that's the reason that
Exactly.
it's Mrs. India. And
Yes.
okay, so when they are newly married, they need to put a little bit of like more color on their face. They love put because as in up north they love doing makeup, so they can put like a good set of like a good lipstick, or like maybe a nice lip color, or a very good blusher. But it's very important to cover your you know s- have a very good base. Basically, it's very important to have a very good base. You need to have a very good concealer. Then you need to have a proper foundation and a proper base. And then you need to have a good highlighter. Good brands, like you can shop from Body Shop, it's a very good brand. And you can also shop from Mac, that's also very good. And these are like very nice products, so they will not react on your skin. Of course, that's why they are a little expensive, but makeup may invest karna is a very good investment, because nowadays not even girls, guys also put makeup, and even male models they
Exactly.
put makeup.
Right.
It's very important before they go to auditions, or if they are going to any kind of like shoot or test shoot, or maybe if they are getting their own portfolio done.
Hmm.
It's needed that they should wear their own shade of makeup. So it's very important when you go to any makeup shop or any studio. Excuse me. So it's very important to pick your own shade. Sometimes you have
Okay.
to pick a little shade darker or a lighter, because what happens is skin absorbs the makeup. So that's how you need to have a very good like base for your skin. So if we talk about any ring ceremony, obviously a makeup artist will do their makeup how you want it, how you are comfortable in, because you
Hmm.
suppose it all depends on your personality. If you're a very subtle personality, a very light and a soft makeup would like really suit you. If you like wearing those jazzy colors, or if the outfit, it also depends on your outfit. So if your outfit is very heavy, so that's how you have to balance out the makeup. So if the eyes are heavy, you have to keep the lips subtle. If your lips are heavy, then you have to keep the eyes very subtle. Always highlight your inner corners and put a little bit of shimmer, because obviously it's wedding. It happens only once, so why not like just look your best. And also bridal makeup is much more heavier because it has like layers of makeup and it has those heavy eyes and bold red lips with the lehenga, because obviously due to the Indian tradition we wear those colors where like the bride wears colors like maroon, or maybe a magenta red, or maybe like a fuchsia pink or a hot pink, or maybe if they're going pastel also, they can keep them makeup a little subtle. Depends on if it's a destination wedding or a Rajwada wedding, or how it is. It all depends like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you suggest for beauty pageant?
For
Like
beauty
they
pageants,
all have to stay there for 4 days.
yeah. So for
So
beauty pageants, whenever you understand that beauty pageant is not a fashion show. It is,
exactly.
you don't have to show your garment. You have to show yourself. Okay. And also in a beauty pageant, people notice you at every point, how you're sitting, how you're dressing up, because you have been a part of a beauty pageant. You know that
Yes.
how it is. And at every moment, if you are, like even waking up in the morning and, you haven't taken bath, but still you want to go and have your breakfast first, because usually you guys stay in hotels. So 10 बजे breakfast खत्म हो जाता है and all that, and if your thing is your training starts later, so still obviously there'll be jury sitting there, there'll be everybody sitting there, so they'll see that how you are presenting yourself in every way. If you're waking up also, you're just coming like one just like unwashed person, or maybe you just come like like properly dressed up person who's
True.
quite presentable. People like people who are presentable, and how you are representing yourself, because it's a beauty pageant.
True.
Okay. Also, one more thing is there, the way you talk, the way you. I personally feel if the person is not that beautiful, also, okay, if the person's features is not so, but the way you talk, or if you are cracking the conversation, and if you're very healthy to have a proper conversation with sometimes kaisa hota hai, when you talk to somebody first, within 5 minutes you get to know if you can gel along with that person, or if you cannot gel along with that person. So
True.
I feel अगर तुम first time में बात कर लेते हो and you crack the deal, basically I feel that the 50% job is done. So
True.
that's how it is. So you should be impressive with your personality, and you should be positive towards the approach that. And I think it should be a very healthy competition where when you're participating in the pageants. So you should have confidence about yourself, not like कि अरे ये ऐसी दिख रही है, ये वैसी दिख रही है. सबका अपना अपना individual वैसा है. And
Individual personalities.
I know that you must be knowing that you've gone through the entire thing,
Yes.
so you know that how it works. And within girls, it's
True.
a lot, because men's beauty
True.
pageant is like, or like, oh brother, like that. But for girls, it's really competitive. So yes, that is there.
Mm. Okay.
Thank you,
Very
Ashish.
nice.
Thank you, Aditya. Yeah, my friends are just commenting.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
So next question is, what is the first thing we should look for while shopping,
Okay.
especially women?
Especially women, because yeah, I mean, when you guys shop, pick up something which you can use later on, and which you can pair up with other outfits, or maybe you can use that thing multiple times, still purana nahi lage. And yes, comfort is very important, Ashish. Yes, comfort is very important, which is something
Yes.
which you're comfortable in. You can't wear tight dresses, or you can't wear something which is over body hugging. You'll feel uncomfortable. Something which is very easy breezy, or something which fits you well, which is your size. If you want to wear a body hugging thing also, that's completely fine, because obviously if you're in shape, why not? But pick up something which is your style. Don't try to copy someone, or don't try to fit in the circle कि oh मैं ये कपड़ा पहनूंगी या मैं ये कपड़ा पहनूंगा तो like मैं अच्छा दिखूंगा. No, it should be something which is your style, comfort, and yes, which can be used again. I think that is the main 3-4 things which you have to keep in mind before you go for shopping, because obviously when you're investing in clothes, you should be really particular, because I go shopping with my best friend always, and we really try 50 clothes and we pick up 5, you know. So that's how it happens, you know, कि okay, हम
True.
लोग decide करते हैं, will we wear this somewhere, कितनी बार पहनेंगे, किस किस के साथ पहनेंगे, किस कौन सी चीज के pair up करेंगे, you know, and इतना काम में आएगा नहीं आएगा, comfortable है नहीं है, tight है तो नहीं खरीदेंगे, you know, like
True,
that.
true, true.
So that is very
Okay.
important. What do you look for when you shop?
Obviously, I look for comfort only.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Great. Great.
Comfort plus fashion, both.
Very
Fashion में भी
important.
comfort देखना जरूरी है.
बहुत जरूरी है. Very important. This is very important.
Yes.
Yes.
So next question is, what are the trends we should look for?
See, trends you can follow which are timeless, which are classics. You know, as I said, it can be used again and again. So कोई जैसे होता है अभी जैसे bomber jacket का trend है. पहले भी थे bomber jackets like back then, you know, in fashion history. But अभी वापस repeat हुआ है. So fashion always repeats in an improvised manner. Always remember that fashion always repeats.
Exactly.
Bell bottom pants भी पहले जब 80s में 60s में थी उस टाइम पे फिर से वापस आई उसके बाद, you know,
वापस
अभी
है, हाँ.
and again it went off, you know. So अभी
हाँ.
high waisted pants भी थी पहले, वापस आई अभी फैशन में,
वापस
अभी भी चल रही है, ठीक है. Even crop tops, where we saw Kajol wearing crop tops in DDLJ, we see girls wearing crop tops now. So you know, बीच में fashion जाता है या
Yes.
ना आता है. So you know, some kind of pieces which are exclusive, I personally feel that y'all should pick up, and those should be timeless pieces, ताकि वो बाद में use आ पाए और आप 10 साल बाद भी निकाल के wardrobe से पहनो, तो I feel it should look like amazing, and everybody should
Old
ask
is
you,
gold.
अरे ये कहाँ से खरीदा? Exactly, old is gold. जैसे अपनी मॉम की बनारसी साड़ी, suppose कोई
हाँ.
अगर बेटी अपनी मॉम की बनारसी साड़ी पहनती है with a different cut of blouse, you know, साड़ीज तो साड़ीज होती है, it's like a 6-yard or 9-yard
True.
out garment. So sari is the most sexiest garment in India, you know, if when you say that sari. So I personally feel that, you know, a girl जो साड़ी में जितनी अच्छी लगेगी वो बाकी शायद outfits में उतनी अच्छी ना लगे, क्योंकि
True.
देखा हुआ है. So I personally feel that, you know, I think it's the most innovative and creative garment जिसने भी बनाया है, and it's very nice. So ऐसे pieces अपने wardrobe में जो बाद में 10 साल बाद भी पहनो तो वो high fashion लगे.
True.
Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Hi Sagar. All my friends are joining the chat.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So next question is, colors we should avoid and prefer in a beauty pageant.
Okay, colors you should avoid and prefer in the beauty pageants. Okay, first we'll talk about preferring colors. What are the color preferences? I think that according to your complexion, you should definitely have a stylist with you. Every pageant contestant should have a personal stylist with them, because what happens, आप अगर अपनी beauty, you know, the way of talking, अपनी personality, grooming, polishing पे focus करोगे, so you need somebody to help you and guide you to choose the correct outfit and correct makeup for you for that particular round of, you know, the pageant. So I personally feel that as a stylist, if you are my contestant, like if you're my client, so according to your skin color, I will give you pastels. According to your, you know, your hairstyle and your body and everything, I will give you something which is a very fish cut gown, or maybe something which is like little body hugging. I will not give you Cinderella gowns because that will make you, you know, too bulky. I would give you something which is nice corset fitted, and you know, which has a nice, you know, like a laser cut sleeve with a deep V-neck or something like that, with a heavy embroidery and a lot of sheer. I would prefer that for you, and with a lot of silver and rose gold work, that would look damn nice, and slightly on a couture side rather than on a preth gown. I would prefer couture for you because I think you can carry it. For dusky skin girls, they can also prefer colors like a dark peach or maybe a copper shade or maybe a coke brown. That really works. These colors are quite safer, like a baby pink or a pastel blue or a powder yellow or a pista green. I think these colors really work for, you know, these kind of pageants, you know, because itne time se chalte aa rahe hain, and it should match your crown also when you win, you know. That's what I feel. And avoid wearing whites, avoid wearing black, because that just makes you like, black is fine, but then, you know, it's not a red carpet event at the end of the day. It's a pageant. So something which makes you look very beautiful and radiant and vibrant, I feel you should pick up those colors. Avoid colors like neon yellow or neon green or neon pink or maybe fluorescent green. That is those are colors which you should not use for the pageants, because that will just the garment ही दिखेगा, आप तो दिखोगे नहीं उसमें, that will happen.
True.
Hi Neha. So Harpreet, that's Neha. She's one of the model who's also worked for Couture Runway Week, and she's an influencer and a blogger. She's
Neha
also a great
Mahajan.
friend of mine.
Hi,
Yes.
Neha.
Yeah. So I'm okay. So Harpreet, you have to watch our live tomorrow on Let's Talk Fashion
Okay.
in my company.
Sure.
We are doing episode 1 with Neha. So please
Acha,
do
okay, great.
come. Yes.
I will, definitely.
Yes.
So, do you suggest pastel colors on dusky skin?
I do suggest pastel colors for dusky skin, but on a little, metallic tones, because like maybe a copper color, I would prefer like a peach copper. I feel that will look nice on dusky skin. I have actually seen dusky girls wearing onion pinks or maybe carnation pinks that really works on them, and all depends on their makeup also. Do not, for dusky girls, they should not prefer makeup which are of a lighter shade, because that will just make them look very chalky and very white. So they should prefer makeup which is a little darker to their skin tone, and use a proper highlighter. And also sometimes there's a model friend of mine who's very dusky. She's an African model. Okay, so she uses kajal pencil to contour. Imagine. So because obviously that's how they are, and they are very, so black beauties are like really in outside India, and in India also, when we do a lot of beach fashion week, or maybe we do resort wear or swimwear, so we prefer taking a few of them, because they are like, they can carry it quite well and it looks damn sexy on them. So yeah, that way.
Okay, next very important question is
Okay.
beauty pageant do's and don'ts.
Beauty pageant do's and don'ts. Okay. So do's and don'ts is like, beauty pageant mein, do not give those typical answers which is needed and which judges want to hear it from you ki, okay, when I win the crown, I'll do my social service, or I'll just do my itna portion of the money I will give it to the charity trust.
Girls,
Everybody-
please listen carefully.
Everybody know, yes, girls, please listen to this very carefully. It's very important. Everybody want to hear that, but I think you can probably give an answer which you will actually do rather than just saying it. Because तुमने एक बार बोल दिया तो तुम फंस जाओगे, तुमको करना ही पड़ेगा, तुम जीत गए तो, ठीक है? So वो चीज नहीं करना जो चीज नहीं बोलनी है. Maybe you can अगर certainly अगर तुम्हारा खुद का कुछ है और तुम देते हो that much amount to certain, maybe an anathalaya or maybe some charity trust, you can probably give. But probably why not do something for animal rights or PETA or something like that? Or why not open a shelter home for dogs, or maybe something like do something for animals. I mean, and this is my suggestion, because if I would have been into a beauty pageant and if I would have been a girl, I would have said that. So that thing. Second thing, politics पे अगर नहीं पता है तो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just give whatever basic answers you know. Otherwise, people will think you're dumb. To be very honest. अब do's में you have to walk very gracefully. You have to present yourself. Understand कि अपने आप को present कर रहे हो तो do a lot of research about what kind. ये मत सोचो कि मेरे को ब्यूटी पेजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, मैं सुंदर दिखती हूँ तो मैं जाके जीत जाऊंगी. No. सिर्फ सुंदर दिखना is nothing. You have to know how to talk. You have to know how to walk. You have to have a proper impressive personality. You should know how to, carry yourself well in whatever you wear. You should have that, what do I say? That spark in you. So it needs a lot of research. जो भी इवेंट में तुम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो, रिसर्च अबाउट इट अ लॉट. प्रीवियस शोज देखो, इनके क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछा है, कैसे मॉडल्स आए हैं, कि इन्होंने क्या गलती की, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली सब रिकॉर्ड होता है.
True.
सो आप देखोगे कि
Exactly.
इन्होंने किन्ने क्या गलती की है, जो तुम्हें करना है, जो तुम्हें नहीं करना है, how that girl played her cards right. So it is very important to know and understand that these are the things which we have to prepare ourselves. अगर तुम वो साल के लिए रेडी नहीं हो तो प्लीज वो साल मत पार्टिसिपेट करो, बट अगर तुम रेडी हो वो साल तो रिसर्च अपनी पूरी करके जाओ. कोई भी जगह पे तुम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो, लेट इट बी अ फैशन शो और लेट इट बी अ ब्यूटी पेजेंट, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू योर ओन होमवर्क एंड स्टेप इनटू समथिंग.
True.
यस.
Confidence तो ठीक है, but preparation is really
कॉन्फिडेंस तो
very
यार
much required.
ऐसे ही कोई तो फेक भी करता है कॉन्फिडेंस. मैं कॉन्फिडेंस फेक कर रहा हूँ जैसे अभी को कितना मैं कॉन्शियस हूँ
हाँ.
अंदर से, उनको पता भी नहीं होगा. मैं अभी चैट करते करते आई एम वेरी कॉन्शियस ऑन साइड, बट आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग बिकॉज आई कैन फेक माय कॉन्फिडेंस. कॉन्फिडेंस इज फाइन, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट
हाँ.
most important things here is to understand that what you are doing and for what you are doing, like क्यों कर रहे हो और किस चीज के लिए
True.
कर रहे हो, आगे जाके क्या मिलेगा और क्या तुम्हारा गोल है इन नेक्स्ट 5 years. यू शुड नो दैट मुझे नेक्स्ट 5 years में कहाँ पहुंचना है और क्या अचीव करना है. So अगर तुम मिसेस
True.
इंडिया हो
True.
and you really want to present yourself as Mrs. India, I really feel that you should work towards it and obviously represent a strong woman, ताकि कल जाके बाकी ladies they can look up to you and they say कि okay, Harpreet has done it, so I can also do it. You should inspire people.
True.
That should be the main agenda.
True.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, next important question again.
Of
Some
course.
quick fashion tips.
See, quick fashion hacks is like definitely carry very good accessories. Have a great pair of shades with you. Sunglasses, very good. अच्छे वाले. Not those typical Delhi aunties or not those typical, like high society aunties जो stones वाले पहनते हैं. Prefer classy eyewear, which is very important when you prefer. Try to have a darker shade, or if you're wearing those, don't try to wear colors like, unless and until you're on beach, that's different. But don't try to wear colors like those pinks and reds and, like, pick up classy, like timeless pieces which you can use 10 years later also, as I say.
Mm-hmm.
A good wristwatch is very important as a good fashion accessory. It is very important to accessorize because I feel that the garment, obviously when you told me that, like कि garments and gowns है, तो उसके साथ तो accessories भी important है. अभी खाली तरह से जा नहीं सकते. You should definitely tie up with some nice jeweler for your jewelry. You can also buy your own jewelry or maybe collaborate with a designer or maybe however you want it, but pick up the right piece or right set of accessory for you for your garment and a pageant. The look should look complete because I feel जब तक accessorize नहीं करते हैं तो look complete नहीं होता है. Also don't fill up कि मैंने कान का भी पहना है, मैंने गले का भी पहना है, मैंने हाथ में पहना है. हाथ में पहन रहे हो तो you can wear earrings. Either if you're wearing on the neck, just wear a small stud probably. अगर वो भी नहीं पहनना तो बाल से ढक जाएगा. But do not fill up yourself completely. Otherwise, I think you'll look like a fashion disaster. I personally feel that. Yeah. So these are the fashion hacks which you need to keep in mind before going anywhere. If you're going for a brunch also, या mall भी जा रहे हो, just put a nice bracelet or just like probably you can put a nice ear cuff or carry a good pendant. Accessorize. It's very important to accessorize.